When SKU understands the real world, its impact flows through every part of the supply chain, field ops, finance, and decision making. We didn't just rebuild the SKU for ops team, we rebuilt it for everyone who touches the supply chain. Behind that impact is a product team that listen, learn, and build something meaningful. For a field agent, every second counts. With SKU Revamp, they now see exactly what they are delivering: images, paths, quantities, packaging, and can transact with confidence. Finance teams can finally reconcile without the chaos. Packaging logic, batch level splits, and actual versus expected, it's all there. What started as a fix for SKU data has become a foundation for smarter execution everywhere. We didn't just ship a feature, we rebuilt the SKU to reflect how logistics really works. Every asset, rider, planner, and pallet now has the clarity they deserve. Built with empathy, delivered with precision. This is the new SKU, and it's just the beginning.